This is why you need to know about ants. They've got some crazy survival skills. All right, let's dive into the tiny but incredible world of ants. These little critters are nature's survival experts. Did you know some ants actually stitch up their wounds? Yep, you heard that right. When soldier ants get injured, other ants rush to the rescue. They use their mandibles like surgical tools to clean and close the wound. It's like having their own mini-medics on call. And it's not just about healing. These ant medics help prevent infections too. This teamwork helps the colony stay strong and healthy. Isn't it amazing how much we can learn from these tiny creatures? So next time you see an ant, remember, they're not just tiny pests. They're survival masters with some wild tricks up their sleeves. Stay curious, nature lovers.